Welcome back. My name is Jason and I build things entirely out of duct tape. So we are continuing this process. It's cutting little sheets and then it's going to layer them around this edge here. Man, I love these new little scissors. Fiskars did a good job with these little guys. Alright. Almost forgot the back side here. That's complete enough for me to move to the other side. Now, in working with sheets, you definitely don't want the fold over edge to be on any outside edge. Sometimes I'll cut it off, and I learned that after watching my Star Destroyer for a year, because it's got a lot of outward facing roundovers like this. And what happens, the rubber is strong enough where it'll pull away from itself and leave you with a bigger rounded edge. That'll do. I'm just taking more little pieces and trimming them to fit. We got the tops of these done, which look pretty good. So right now I think I'll focus on covering this back section, and I've got to redo the front here. It's a bit bumpy for my liking. I don't really want to, but I have to. Well, I'm always running out of these half-inch strips. That's all this is cutting sheets of duct tape and attaching them neatly to the frame. Repetitiveness. The other day I showed you an example of what the edges do. So this is the clipped off edges from just yesterday. See, that's kind of, the rubber's pulling apart because the gray duct tape doesn't quite have enough resistance or stickiness to hold to itself for that long. Kind of got this back area a little unsupported from underneath. Think it'll be alright. Those are always famous last words. Alright, got the back portion done. That's looking nice and smooth, but that's looking nice and bumpy. Making another sheet. This sheet will be for the bridge area. And before I get too far on this, I need more strips again. Alright, after a few minutes of cutting, I finally got this close enough to be happy with. Just taping this piece down. If that wasn't obvious, that's what I do with every piece. Alright, well that looks much smoother. Alright, that looks probably about 20% better. Oops. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with that and call it here for this one. And be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like what I'm doing, and I'll catch you on the next one.